Hey friends, we are going to share a brand new training with you. It's going to be short and sweet, but it's going to pack a really big punch. Okay, so today I'm going to share with you how to hold your camera for optimum focus. Okay, so if you really want sharp, crisp, clean images, check and see how you hold your camera, okay? And before we dive into the training, I just want to make sure that you have all of the goods. We have a free workbook for you, a free ebook. It's the Beginner's Guide to Photography ebook. I have so much in there. It's totally free. I just want you to click the link below this video and make sure you download, print out, mark up, and study this new photography ebook. Okay, so I've been teaching photography for now 5 years, and I've seen lots of different ways that new photographers hold a camera. Usually it looks a little something like this, right? So if you have your camera next to you, I just want you to grab it, pick it up, or they'll do like this and look at their viewfinder. Okay, so whatever way that you do it is totally fine. But I want to share with you a secret, one little change that you can do to make sure that you have really, really sharp photos, okay? Instead of picking up your camera like this, where all the weight of the lens, especially long lenses, are resting on your thumb, I want you to flip your hand upside down. It's gonna feel a little bit weird. Daisy, hush. It's gonna feel a little bit weird at first, but the reason why you want to put your whole hand and your 4 fingers underneath your lens as your right hand is holding onto the shutter button is because you're gonna be able to have more control over your heavy camera body and your heavy lens, okay? Now, when you want to shoot vertically, I don't want you to move your hand at all. You are literally just going to release it a little bit so you can slide it and then you're ready to shoot. What I see a lot of the time is this. Okay, you might accidentally hit a button, or you might switch it from auto to manual focus, and that's not what you want. So hold it in your palm just like this, release, and then now you're ready to go. So you're able to shoot horizontally and vertically super, super quickly without having to move this. So this is like a little cup that we hold our camera on, and this is really gonna help change the game for your focus. Now, last thing I'm gonna touch on is all of my live shooters. So you like to put it on live and hold it out like this, okay? And this is basically what you look like. Here's the problem. There's no support underneath because you're having to do live button settings, and your elbows and your arms are extended, which means you're going to have a lot of camera shake because we're human. Holding it out here for hours upon hours, especially on wedding days, is not going to be fun for you. So what I want you to do is take it off of live mode. Hold your camera in, your elbows tucked in close to your body so that you become like a human tripod, okay? Your feet are spread apart, your elbows are in, your hand is underneath your camera, and this one little secret, this one little trick could potentially change your focus game. So I hope this was helpful. It's a very, very simple fix, something that you can start implementing at your next session, okay? All right, one last thing before you go. We have a full-blown Photography Academy curriculum. We teach you everything from photography 101, camera settings, lenses, lighting, to editing. We also teach about posing in our posing course, mini sessions, how to make tens of thousands of dollars through mini sessions. We have our business and branding course and our natural flash course. This is all included in our One Academy offer. So if you're interested, if you like this video and you're interested to go deeper in your photography journey and you just want a step-by-step curriculum and a weekly coach to answer your questions and just help you through the hard seasons, join us in the Academy. We'd love to have you and we'd love to see you there.